Yasin, and I'm about to move to another startup, number 7
Perfect.
today. We have I Love company, who is enabling a new era of personalized precision medicine. And I have Louis from United Kingdom who is going to tell us more. Louis, hi. Hi, Louis.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Perfect. So I'll start. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For hundreds of years, new treatments have been developed based on the idea that the same medication will work equally for everyone. But for many diseases, this is not the case. Take Alzheimer's, for example. 14 years, more than 400 failed clinical trials, and no new treatment. Why? The truth is, like many, Alzheimer's is a very heterogeneous disease. While one treatment will not work for all, current stratification techniques used in clinical trials have major issues. They are invasive, they are difficult to access, and all of that causes 90% of the patients to leave the clinical trials. This makes trials incredibly expensive and inefficient, and solving this problem is at the heart and soul of our mission at iLove. iLove is developing a platform to enable the development of personalized treatments for complex heterogeneous diseases such as Alzheimer's. And using our revolutionary platform, we can stratify patients for clinical trials based on their biological profile, cutting 40% of the cost, 70% of the time, while making the whole process more humane and convenient for patients. To do this, we have developed an AI-driven approach that generates agnostic, robust optical fingerprints from convenient fluids like blood. And using these in-house developed digital twins, we are building a cloud-based library of field disease biomarkers and biological profiles. We are non-invasive, adaptable, fast, and above all, we're very low cost. We only use light and AI. These are just some of the current case studies of our platform. We are uniquely positioned to perform both targeted certification through individual structures like peptides, exosomes, or glycans, or differentiate between different complex disease profiles. To achieve this vision, we're partnering with leading global stakeholders, hospitals, biotechs, and pharmaceutical companies from the US to Australia. And together, we are enabling our vision of building a true cloud-based library filled with thousands of different biological profiles and disease biomarkers. For us, it all starts by solving the problems of the industry with a follow-on move into the healthcare market by providing the right treatment to the right patient. And it's quite a big market. On Alzheimer's alone, just the top 4 pharmaceutical groups, 2 of which we're currently engaged with, spend more than 400 million screening for Alzheimer's clinical trials. We are in a unique position to get this market by using our dynamic pricing model, which ensures risk-free win-win for both iLove and our clients. And in the end, what iLove is creating is a validated platform technology, expanding a cloud-based library to accelerate the development of personalized treatments in new areas like oncology, infectious diseases, and others. This is our unique position with our proprietary data library, multiple partnerships, and backing from leading investors like Microsoft Ventures and Mayfield. This is the team that makes it happen every day, comprised of more than 15 scientists, entrepreneurs, and inventors, based in Oxford and supported by an incredible panel of pharma and tech executives. And today, we ask you to join us as we completely revolutionize the way we develop personalized treatments while hopefully contributing to a better world without Alzheimer's. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Louis. Any questions, please?
Yeah, the question is, how are you getting the biomarkers and the medical history of the patient? Are you getting that from the hospitals or through your device?
Yeah, that's an excellent question. So both, actually. So the way we are integrating different sources of data to build our models. One is, of course, electronic health registers, but we're also getting optical data that we gather from samples. So this is where I would say the physical part of our platform comes. So currently, there is a lot of data that is already collected from samples with a lot of devices, optical devices like mass spec, Raman, a lot of photonics devices. And this data normally works in silos. It's not integrated into a central database library, and neither it's correlated with other sources of data like comorbidities and other sources of electronic data. What iLof is doing is integrating different sources of data from samples, but also data from the patient's history into building these digital twins of both individual biomarkers and also complex biological profiles.
All right, thank you.
Any more questions? Okay, thank you.
Just a quick one, Marina. I think we have already came across or with one of our fund. I remember. What's the current funding demand? I mean, how much are you raising?
We can't answer that question.
Okay, sorry. I will ask it privately then. Sorry.
Thank you so much. I can just give a very brief, if we have 30 seconds, a brief overview that right now we have a comfortable runaway, but there are opportunities, more traction than our 15 people team can deliver. So we are fundraising, not going to disclosure the amount to deliver on this traction and to bring some strategic investors on board.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.